What was your reaction upon hearing this allegation of resigned Congressman Zaldico? Was it a surprise or did you expect this?
No, okay. Number one, kung yung sa sinasabi niya, it doesn't make sense, no? Parang walang logic yun eh. Kasi kung may gusto si Presidente na projects worth 100 billion, sa executive branch naman nanggagaling yung NEP, di ba? So ibig sabihin, kung meron talaga siyang gustong ipasok na 100 billion na projects, kung totoo yung sinasabi ni Zaldico, di dapat noong palang NEP, pinasok na yun, no? So that one doesn't make sense, no? Number two, pero yun nga yung sinasabi ko, yun namang sinasabi ko na mukhang merong ayaw magpauwi sa kanya. And based on his statement, si former Speaker Martin Romualdez yan, no? Ngayon, yung sinasabi niya na hindi siya pinapauwi ni former Speaker Martin Romualdez dahil yan ang sabi ng Pangulo.
As instructed by the President.
Hindi totoo yan eh kasi ang daming instances na sinasabi lagi ni Martin na ganito, utos ng Pangulo, hindi ko gagawin yan kung wala namang go signal. Pero iba eh. I mean, I've personally seen na iba yung mga ginagawa niya sa utos ng Pangulo. So, yun, hindi naman ibig sabihin na totoo yun.
Okay.
Maaring sinabi talaga ni former Speaker Martin Romualdez yun, pero hindi ibig sabihin na totoo yun.